tired, busy, or unable to assist you. Allah is always available, always alert, always ready to respond to your call. Al-Qayyum means that Allah is self-sustaining and the sustainer of all things. He does not depend on anyone or anything for his existence, but everything else depends entirely on him for its existence. Every breath you take, every heartbeat in your chest, every thought in your mind exists only because Allah is continuously sustaining it. When you realize this truth, you understand that asking Allah for help is not asking a favor. It is going directly to the source of all power and all provision. La ta'kuduhu sinatun wa la naum, neither slumber nor sleep overtakes him. This phrase contains one of the most comforting truths in all of creation. While you sleep, while you rest, while you are unconscious and vulnerable, Allah never sleeps. He never takes a break from watching over you, protecting you, and managing the affairs of the universe. Human kings and rulers sleep, leaving their kingdoms unguarded for hours each night. But the King of all kings never sleeps, never slumbers, never takes his attention away from his creation, even for a single moment. The scholars tell us that there are two types of drowsiness mentioned here. Sinatun, which is the light drowsiness that comes before sleep, and Naum, which is deep sleep itself. Allah is affected by neither. This means that his awareness is always complete, his attention is always full, and his ability to respond to your prayers and protect you from harm is never diminished. Lahu ma fi as-samawati wa ma fi al-ard. To him belongs all that is in the heavens and all that is on earth. This statement is so vast that human minds struggle to grasp its full meaning. Everything you see around you, everything you can imagine, and everything beyond your imagination belongs entirely to Allah. The mountains, the oceans, the stars, the galaxies, the angels, the jinn, every human being, every animal, every plant, every grain of sand belongs to Allah completely. But this ownership is not like human ownership. When we own something, our ownership is temporary, limited, and dependent. But Allah's ownership is absolute, eternal, and complete. This means that when you ask Allah for something, you are not asking Him to give you something that belongs to someone else. Everything already belongs to Him, and He can give it to whomever He chooses, whenever He chooses, in whatever amount He chooses. Man dal-ladi yashfa'u indahu illa bi'idni. Who can intercede with Him except by His permission? This part of the verse reveals the absolute sovereignty of Allah over all affairs. In earthly courts, lawyers can argue for their clients, and powerful people can influence decisions through their connections. But in the court of Allah, no one can speak on your behalf unless Allah Himself grants them permission to do so. This teaches us that our prayers should be directed to